In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PowerPoint not responding, Windows 10. If PowerPoint keeps freezing or stops responding, don't worry. Let's work through a clear set of checks to get you back on track. First, make sure PowerPoint is fully closed. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Find Microsoft PowerPoint in the list, select it, and click End Task. Then reopen PowerPoint. A hung background process is a common cause, and this simple reset often clears it. If the issue returns, restart your computer. A fresh reboot clears temporary glitches and background processes that can interfere with Office apps. Next, try opening PowerPoint in safe mode. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type powerpiont as safe, and press Enter. If PowerPoint opens and behaves normally here, that's a strong hint an add-in is causing the problem. To address that, open PowerPoint normally, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom, choose COM Add-ins and click Go. Uncheck every add-in, click OK, and restart PowerPoint. If things stabilize, you can later re-enable add-ins one at a time to find the culprit. Make sure your Office installation is fully up to date. In PowerPoint, go to File, then Account, click Update Options, and choose Update Now. Allow any available updates to install. Compatibility and stability fixes are released frequently. If problems persist, repair Office. Open Control Panel, go to Programs, then Programs and Features, find Microsoft Office, and click Change. You'll see two options: Quick Repair, which is fast and fixes most issues without internet, and Online Repair, which is more thorough and requires a connection. Both keep your documents intact. Also check whether the issue is tied to a specific file. Try opening a different PowerPoint. If only one file crashes, it may be corrupted. Go to File, Open, Browse, select the file, click the arrow next to Open, and choose Open and Repair. If graphics rendering is the snag, disabling hardware acceleration can help. In PowerPoint, go to File, Options, Advanced, and under Display, check Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Restart PowerPoint afterward. Free up system resources by closing unused apps and ensuring you have adequate RAM and disk space. Low resources can make large presentations feel unresponsive. As a last resort, reinstall Microsoft Office. Uninstall it from Control Panel, restart your PC, then reinstall the latest version. At this point, PowerPoint should run smoothly without freezing or not responding. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.